Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free banana bread. Here are the ingredient list. First of all, I will have to preheat oven into 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, I will add 2 cups almond flour, 1/4 cup tapioca starch or arrowroot starch, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. I will whisk everything together until they are well combined. The ingredient list, I also list them in the description box below so you can check that out as well. In a separate bowl, I will crack 2 eggs. Add in 1/4 cup coconut sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. Whisk everything together until they are well combined. I will add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1/4 cups melted coconut oil. You can use butter or ghee. Whisk everything together. In another bowl, I will peel 4 medium super ripe bananas. You can use 3 large or 5 small bananas. The riper banana is, the sweeter it becomes. Continue to mash the banana. Now I will pour the mashed banana into the wet ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Whisk everything together until they are well combined. I will add the wet ingredient to the dry ingredient. Now whisk everything or mix everything together until they are well incorporated. At this point, you can add 1 cup chopped nuts or berries into your batter, but my kid did not eat it, so I don't add any. I will add 1/3 cup chocolate chip into my banana batter. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Whisk everything together until they are well combined. I use 1 teaspoon coconut oil to coat my baking loaf pan. Now I will pour the batter into the loaf pan. Make sure to scrape everything in there. I will tap a couple times to make sure the batter is even. I'm using the Lily dark chocolate chip for topping for my banana bread. If you like my video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channels and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new upcoming videos. Now let's put the banana batter into the oven for 50 to 60 minutes depending on your oven temperature. Now the time has passed and our banana bread is ready and it's cooked. I inserted the little knife into the center and it came out clean. That means the bread is done baking. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes until it cools down, then you can slice it. You can slice the banana bread into thin or thick slice as your preference. Look at those chocolate chips melting into the banana bread. It's so delicious, so moist, so fluffy, and so good. I hope you give it a try. I am sure that you will like it. Let's continue slice our banana bread. Wow, look at those, so fluffy, so moist, so delicious. I just eat it right at my hand like that. I didn't even use a fork or anything. It's so good, I just couldn't wait anymore, so I just eat it right away. It's so good. Those chocolate chips are melting into your mouth and then those banana bread are so good. So I hope you enjoyed my video and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.